Homeowners, what are the top 5 renovations that you can do right now with future resale in mind? Hi, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And as a homeowner looking to sell in the future, you might be wondering, what improvements can I make to help maximize my return on investment for my home? So let's take a look at my top 5. So number 1, paint color. Color is one of the most basic and appealing ways that you can update your space without breaking the bank. When choosing a color, it's always best to go with neutrals. Number 2, curb appeal. We all know making a first impression is key. It's all about creating and inviting a visually appealing exterior that captivates everyone passing by. That's why having the exterior of your home updated with lighting, plants, and landscaping is super important. All of these improvements will help elevate your curb appeal and make you the best house on the market. Ongoing maintenance. This is a big one, number 3. Home maintenance and repairs are crucial when you are getting the most out of your home. And if you're unwilling to do them, hire someone to do them for you. Maintaining your home will bring more rewards not only while you live there, but also when you go to market. It's super important that you clean your gutters, you do your filters, all that fun stuff. Number 4, kitchens and bathrooms. Although these two spaces can get costly to renovate, they're often the first areas where buyers critique and scrutinize. And when buying a home, they want those updated. You do not need to spend thousands of dollars to renovate. Simply doing things like updating cabinets or appliances or adding a new fixture can add value. Scents. Now, if you know me, you know I run a dog rescue, so this is a big one. Make sure your home passes the smell test. No one likes a smelly home. Make sure your carpets are cleaned and maintained and no exterior garbage or anything that may create odors. And if you have any questions, reach out to me and I can help and assist you and guide you through this ever-changing market. Again, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do.